Hello students, welcome to all in English grammar video classes of class 6. Students, I am Ajay sir from Ramkrishna Vivekanand Vidya Mandir. Students, today I have brought a very important topic of English grammar, that is tense. Okay students, so listen carefully and watch this video by heart. In this video we are going to study the importance and the rules of tense. Okay, be ready and watch this video. Okay students, first of all students, tense. What is tense? What will be the definition of tense? So I have written the definition. A changing in verb forms according to time is called tense. Students, what is tense? So a changing in verb forms. In a sentence, if there is a changing in verb forms, the according to time is called tense. Just we can understand with the help of example. Just look here. Elizabeth writes a letter. It is an example. And second number, Elizabeth wrote a letter. Third number, Elizabeth will write a letter. Students, there are three examples which are given by me on the board. We can understand with the help of example. In first number sentence, Elizabeth writes a letter. Here the verb is writes and that is verb 5. Okay, and just I have changed this verb into verb 2, wrote, and this is verb 2, and Elizabeth will write a letter. Just in third number example, the verb is used as will write. So there are three examples and these are different. And writes is a verb 5 that is used in present tense, and that is used in present tense, and verb 2 is used in past tense, and will write is used in future tense. So it is clear students what is tense. So according to time, if the verb is changed in the verb forms in another verb, that is called tense. Just there are three examples are given of tense. This is a present tense, second number is past tense, and third number is future tense. Okay students, it is clear that there are three kinds of tense. First is present, second is past, and third is future. Students, it is clear. We can write the kinds of tense just like this with the diagram. There are three kinds of tense: present tense, past tense, and future tense. One by one we will study about this. Students, one more thing, each tense has four kinds. Each tense has four kinds, and just we can see present tense has four kinds, past tense has four kinds, and future tense has four kinds. In total, we can say there are 12 kinds of tense. So one by one we will study about tense, present tense, past tense, and future tense. Before starting the study of tense, students, first of all, I want to clear about some auxiliary verbs. Some auxiliary verbs are used in tense according to this. Some auxiliary verbs are used in only in present tense. Students, is, are, am, has, have, do, does. These all auxiliary verbs are used in only in present tense. Was, were, did, and had. These all are auxiliary verbs are used in past tense. Shall, will, both of them are used in future tense. Okay students, so it is clear. So one by one we will study about the kind of tense. First of all, we are going to study about present tense, and the first number kind is simple present. Students, I will remind you the name of the kinds of tense. First of all, first kind is present tense, and each tense has four kinds. Just like present tense has four kinds, first number is simple present tense or present indefinite tense. Second number is present continuous tense. Third number is present perfect tense, and fourth number is present perfect continuous tense. So one by one we will study. Today we will study about first number kind, and that is simple present tense. Okay students, first kind is simple present tense. So what is the recognition of simple present tense? Recognition means significance, it means pahchan. What is the recognition? Students, you know, at the last of a verb of a sentence comes ta hai, ti hai, te hai. It is called the recognition of simple present tense. Okay, if there comes ta hai, ti hai, te hai, it is called the recognition of simple present. Suppose that वह आम खाता है, तो how can you write? He eats a mango. But how can you write? The students, with the help of a structure, we can write the sentence in simple present tense. Students, the structure of simple present tense is, first of all, first number structure is called affirmative sentence. Second number is called negative sentence. Third number is called interrogative sentence. Fourth number is called interrogative plus negative sentence. And also there is a fifth number, WS sentence, and sixth number we can make the sentence WS negative. So first number structure is given here: subject plus V1 oblique V5 plus object, and negative sentence subject plus do oblique does plus not plus V1 oblique object. Just like this, in interrogative sentence, do oblique does plus subject plus V1 plus object plus question mark. But students, where it is used V1 and V5, and where is used do or does, just we have to know where is used V1 and V5. Just I have written, students, if subject is I, we, they, you, and PN. PN means plural number or plural name. If there is something according to this, then where in a affirmative sentence we use their V1. And if there is subject he, she, it, and SN. SN means singular number or singular name, then there we use V5. Just look here, if the subject is he, and you have to write he reads a, वह किताब पढ़ता है, he reads a book. And according to a structure we have to write just like this, he, and with he what will be used? V5. Just look here, I have used here V5, and he reads a book. Suppose that you have to change the sentence into negative, then how can we use do or does? Just in the same condition, if with the help of the same pronouns the V1 is used, just like where V1 is used, where we also use do, and where he, she, it, and SN, then with the help of these all pronouns we use V5, and in same condition we also use does. Suppose that you have to change the sentence into negative, then how can you change? He reads a book, and suppose that you have to change into negative, he with the help of does. He does, and after this according to a structure what will be used? Not, and in a structure already V1 is given. He does not, and what is V1? Read. He does not read a book. Okay, so with the help of this diagram we can also use does, do, V1 and V5. Just in second number example you can understand also. Suppose that V is given, V go to Patna. We go to Patna. How can I use here go? Because with we use only V1. We verb 1 and just after other word. Okay, we go to Patna. Suppose that this sentence you have to change into negative. So we, and what will be used with we do. We do, and after this according to a structure not, and what will be verb 1? So verb 1 is already given. We do not go to Patna. Okay students, so according to a structure, according to this diagram, we also use the properly the verb 1, verb 5, do and does, and with the help of this you can also change the sentence into negative, and you can also write the sentence into affirmative, and you can also make the exercise of the chapter number 11. In next video we will study about the next kind of present tense, and one by one we will complete the tense, and it is already clear that how many are kinds of tense. So each tense has 4 kinds, and total there are 12 tense. Okay students, we will meet again in next video. Thank you everyone.